Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. A Samsung phone with Bixby and Android 8, 0 or newer, plus app updates. Once done, backup essential data using Settings Accounts Backup or Smart Switch so nothing is lost. Next, open Settings and search Voice Assistant or default apps. This is where you will change core handlers. Make sure both Google Assistant and Bixby are updated in the Play Store or Galaxy Store before proceeding. This reduces conflicts and simplifies. You now change the default assistant. Open Settings Apps Default Apps Assist app and select Bixby as the default. This reroutes Assistant intents from Google to Bixby. If you don't see Assist app, disable Google Assistant in App Settings, then force stop and clear cache for Google app to remove conflicts. Once Bixby is set, configure Bixby Voice. Press the side key or open Bixby settings, enable Voice Wake, and grant microphone permissions, so wake words and hands-free use function reliably. You finish by testing Bixby. Say Hi Bixby and run common commands such as calling a contact or starting navigation. If it fails, make sure microphone permissions are allowed, then reboot the phone. Once rebooted, clear Bixby cache and app data and reassign Bixby as the default Assist app. If problems persist, update the system software. And as a last resort, after another backup, perform a factory reset. This resolves deep conflicts, but use it only when necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.